You are concerned about the reduction in the budget of the Department of Tourism. May you elaborate on your concerns?
That is correct, says Pauline, because I've been an advocate of promoting tourism. On my personal capacity, I've been going around the country on my motorcycle trying to promote the hidden treasures of our country because I believe that this is the low-hanging fruit in all our industries. This is the only industry that we can really compete against our neighbors. What is really puzzling because I now that I chair that committee on tourism, based on the presentation of Secretary Frasco and the Department of Tourism, they received only 200 million last year and 100 million only this year for the promotion or brand promotion of the Philippines compared to about a billion pre-pandemic and then 1 billion in 2023. It was slashed from 1 billion to 100 million this year. And says in Pauline, if you would compare it to the budget of our ASEAN neighbors, no? Just yan na lang, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, it's masyadong malayo, no? So that's why, with the meager budget, we're still lucky that there's still some tourists that come in, but it's so, I think I'm hoping that it's not politics. That's the reason why there was this cut, because the NEP, in the National Expenditure Program, every year from 23 to 24 to 2025, 500 million each year. And then when the GAA or the General Appropriations Act came out, it's up to 200 million last year and 100 million.
Wala kasing kleptospirosis dyan siguro, Senator.
Baka nga po wala makikita at wala mararakit. But we have to promote tourism, and I think yung value for money and for every $100 that comes in, about $90 stays, no? So we really have to invest in tourism because I think yung multiplier effect niya is much larger than other industries.
So you will push for an increase in the budget, in the promotional budget of the DOT?
Yes, definitely, Cez and Pauline, I'll do my best. No, at least if we can maintain it with the president's budget or from the national expenditure program, at least the very minimum. At least if we can compete with the other countries. Probably if you until now yung Malaysia through Asia still sticks, because it's all over the international programs. We have to promote our tagline as well so that we can get a fair share of the market.